Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about the day I decided to change my life.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi, Michael. I am doing very well. How about you?
I'm doing well now, but a few months ago I was not happy with my life.
Really?
Yes, I felt tired almost every day.
Why did you feel that way?
I had many bad habits.
What kind of habits?
I stayed up late every night,
What time did you usually go to bed?
around 1 or 2 in the morning.
That is very late.
I know,
What time did you wake up?
usually very late.
Did that cause problems?
Yes, I was often tired and slow.
That sounds difficult.
It was.
Were there other bad habits too?
Yes,
Tell me about them.
I spent too much time on my phone.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I used my phone for hours.
What did you do on it?
I watched videos and looked at social media.
Did it help you?
Not really.
How did it make you feel?
It wasted a lot of my time.
I understand.
I also did not exercise.
Not at all?
Very little.
How was your energy?
It was low most days.
That is not good.
No, it was not.
Did you notice other problems?
Yes, I was not learning new things
Why not?
because I always said I would start tomorrow.
Ah, I see.
Tomorrow never came.
Many people feel that way.
That is true.
When did you realize you needed a change?
One Saturday morning,
What happened?
I woke up very late,
What time?
almost noon.
Wow.
Yes, half the day was already gone.
How did that make you feel?
I felt disappointed
Why?
because I had many plans.
Did you complete them?
No,
What did you do instead?
I stayed home and wasted more time.
That must have been frustrating.
It was.
Did something happen later that day?
Yes,
What was it?
I met an old friend.
Really?
Yes, we had coffee together.
How was he doing?
Very well.
That sounds great.
He looked healthy, happy, and confident.
Did you talk about life?
Yes, we did.
What did he tell you?
He told me about his daily routine.
What was special about it?
He woke up early every day.
Anything else?
He exercised regularly.
That is good.
He also read books and learned new skills.
That is impressive.
Yes, I was impressed too.
Did he always live that way?
No.
Really?
He told me he used to have many bad habits too.
That's interesting.
He said small changes helped him improve.
Small changes?
Yes, one step at a time.
That sounds simple.
It did.
What did you think after hearing that?
I started thinking about my own life.
And
I realized I was making excuses.
that can be difficult to admit.
Yes, but it was true.
What happened when you went home?
I sat quietly in my room.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about the future.
What did you want?
I wanted a better life.
In what way?
I wanted more energy.
That makes sense.
I wanted better habits.
Good goal.
I wanted to use my time wisely.
I agree.
Most importantly, I wanted to feel proud of myself.
That's important.
Yes,
Did you make a decision that day?
I did.
What decision?
I decided to stop waiting for the perfect time.
Really?
Yes,
What did you tell yourself?
I told myself that if I wanted a better life, I had to start now.
That sounds powerful.
It felt powerful.
Did you make a plan?
Yes, a simple plan.
What was the first step?
I wrote down 3 habits I wanted to change.
Which habits?
Sleeping earlier, using my phone less, and exercising more.
Those are great goals.
I thought so too.
Were you excited?
Very excited.
Were you nervous too?
A little.
Why?
Because I knew change would not be easy.
That's true.
But for the first time in a long time, I felt hopeful.
That sounds wonderful.
It was the beginning of something new.
So, what happened the next morning?
Well, that was the real test.
Oh, wow. Now I am very curious.
You will find out what happened next.
Did your alarm ring?
It did.
What time was it?
6 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Much earlier than usual.
What did you do?
At first, I wanted to stay in bed.
Really?
Yes, my bed felt very comfortable.
I understand that feeling.
But then I remembered my promise.
The promise to change your life?
Exactly.
So what happened next?
I got out of bed.
That's a great first step.
It was small, but it felt important.
I agree.
Then I made my bed
Why did you do that?
because I wanted to start the day in a good way.
That's interesting.
After that, I drank a glass of water.
Good habit.
Then I went for a short walk.
Really?
Yes, only 15 minutes.
How did you feel?
I felt fresh and awake.
That sounds nice.
It was.
What happened after your walk?
I ate a simple breakfast.
Did you usually eat breakfast before?
Not always.
So that was another change.
Yes,
How was the rest of the day?
better than usual.
Why?
I had more energy.
That's great.
I also spent less time on my phone.
Was that difficult?
Very difficult.
Really?
Yes, many times I wanted to pick it up.
What did you do instead?
I read a book.
Nice.
Only 10 pages.
That's still good.
I thought so too.
Did you continue these habits the next day?
Yes.
And the day after that?
Yes.
That sounds great.
The first week was not easy
Why not?
because I wasn't used to the new routine.
Did you ever want to quit?
A few times.
Really?
Yes.
What stopped you?
I remembered why I started.
That's important.
I wanted a better future.
I agree.
Every small step felt like progress.
Did your life begin to change?
Slowly, yes.
Tell me more.
I started waking up earlier every day.
How did that help?
I had more time.
More time for what?
Exercise, reading, and learning.
That sounds wonderful.
It really helped me.
Did other people notice?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, my family noticed first.
What did they say?
They said I looked happier.
That's lovely to hear.
My friends noticed too.
What did they notice?
They said I seemed more positive.
That's nice to hear.
It made me feel proud.
Did you add any new habits?
Yes.
Like what?
I started making a simple plan every evening.
For the next day?
Exactly.
Did it help?
A lot.
How?
I knew what I needed to do.
That sounds useful.
It was.
Did everything become perfect?
No.
Really?
Nobody's perfect.
That's true.
Some days were difficult.
What happened on those days?
Sometimes I woke up late.
Did that make you upset?
A little.
What did you do?
I started again the next day.
Good idea.
I learned that one bad day is not the end.
That's a valuable lesson.
Yes,
What was the biggest change in your life?
my mindset changed.
What do you mean?
I stopped saying maybe someday.
And what did you say instead?
I can start today.
I like that.
That simple thought changed many things.
That's interesting.
Before, I waited for the perfect moment.
And then?
I realized the perfect moment doesn't exist.
I agree.
The best time to start is now.
That sounds inspiring.
Thank you.
Did changing your habits help your confidence?
Yes, very much.
How?
Because I kept promises to myself.
Really?
Yes.
That sounds powerful.
Every time I completed a small goal, I felt stronger.
I like that.
Small wins became big changes.
That's a great message.
Thank you.
If someone wants to change their life, what advice would you give?
Start small.
Only one small step?
Yes,
Why?
because small steps are easier to follow.
That makes sense.
Do not try to change everything in one day.
Good advice.
Focus on one habit at a time.
I agree.
Be patient with yourself
Very important.
and never give up after one mistake.
That is excellent advice.
Thank you.
Looking back now, are you happy you made that decision?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yes, it was one of the best decisions of my life.
That's wonderful to hear.
My life is not perfect, but it's much better.
That sounds great.
I have more energy,
Wonderful.
I use my time better,
Nice.
and I feel more confident.
I am very happy to hear that.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome.
Now, we have a question for our listeners.
What is one thing you would like to change in your life?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your ideas.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
We truly appreciate it.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.